Welcome back, boys and girls. This is Writing Workshop with Miss Allen, and we are working on our All About Elephants book. So, yesterday we did our drafting where we added labels and a sentence on each page. Now it's time to go to revision. And when we revise, we can add pictures, we can add more labels or just add labels, and we can add sentences or more to our sentences. So let's begin. All About Elephants. Illustrated and written by Miss Allen. And remember, if you have a green pen, we'll be using our green pen today. On this page, I realized I did not label like my grass. So let's label grass. And let's begin our revision process. First page. Elephants live in Africa. We have the sun. And you can do longer labels by not just writing sun, but you can actually write the sun. We need to label our elephant. So let's label our elephant. Okay. On this page, we talked about elephant drinking lots of water. And we have our water puddle. We have water coming out of the elephant's trunk. And you can add different parts of your elephant, or you can add the elephant himself. So I'm going to add a label for the elephant, right? Or I can just write elephant. So I labeled my elephant. On the third page, we said that elephants eat lots of grass. And we labeled our grass. Oh, we can label our tree right here. And we need to label our elephant. So in the revision process, we are adding more to our picture, our words, and our sentences. On our last page, we said that elephants are gray. And we have 3 elephants. So we can label elephants. I can put an S right here for elephants, right? My elephants. And the sun. I'm going to put the sun. Okay. So we added labels to our writing. Now let's look at our writing again and see if we can add more to our pictures. Okay, so we talked about elephants living in Africa. We can put a little sun right here. Right? We have our sun here, elephants. We have our water, and we know that they're using the water because it's hot. So let's add our sun to this page. Make sure that we have enough details about our topic. Ooh, we are missing a sun here as well. Let's add a sun. Okay, we have our sun. And then our last page, elephants are gray and our sun is there. So after we revise, another thing we do when we are checking our work and we're reading our booklets, we have to edit. And when we edit, we think about, did we begin with our uppercase letters, our capital letters? Did we add finger spaces between our words? And did we put a punctuation, a period, at the end of our sentences? So let's go and read our writing again. All about elephants. Elephants live in Africa. Ooh. We need to begin our sentence with an uppercase letter. And this is a lowercase e. We need to cross this out and put an uppercase e. Elephants live in Africa. And we have a period. Elephants drink lots of water. We end every sentence with a punctuation, and this is a period. So we're going to put a period at the end of our sentence. Elephant eat lots of grass. Oh, we began with an uppercase letter, we ended with a period, and we have a finger space between each word. And finally, elephants are gray. Uppercase, finger space, and a period at the end of our sentence. So boys and girls, we are finished with our All About Elephants book. And our final process of writing is to publish. And when we publish, we think about putting our books in order, and it is, with all our details. So we staple our booklet, and you can add color. So see you next time, boys and girls, for another All About Writing book.